It's been a very productive Saturday, and at this point, I just want to lay down a scratch vocal, but I've got some freedom right now. My neighbor's gone, so I want to do some soulful shouting and see if I can get some good vocal take off of here because I might be able to use it in the final version of the song, even though I don't have the verse together yet. So here we go. was a productive Saturday of putting together tracks. It went from a simple idea to I've got the whole frame to where all I need are a few lyrics really, and those will probably come to me sometime when I'm like out jogging in the morning, and that thing's gonna be done. So thanks for watching. I just finished a new monster truck video on my channel. Link will be in the description below. Check it out if you like action. Thanks for watching. 10 o'clock high.